And qualification match number 11 will begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Team Alpha Dogs Omega moving over to their backstage, dropping 2 pixels in their backstage, and parking for some points. Team Makeshift Tech seems to be moving across the field into their backstage to attempt to place a pixel and successfully placing it in the spot indicated by the spike mark. That will get them bonus points, as well as the fact that they use a team prop. With 6 seconds left in the autonomous period, we are going to move into the teleoperated period shortly for more amazing showcases of these robots.
3, 2, 1.
Beginning the teleoperated period, Team 24302 is moving their robot across the field, seemingly trying to bring 2 pixels into their backstage. Team 22242 Alpha Dogs Omega moving across the field, seemingly trying to reposition some pixels so that way they're officially in their backstage and picking up a pixel potentially to place it on their backdrop. Team 22075 RGB looks to be trying to pick up some pixels and potentially trying to get it into their intake. Team 18433 Makeshift Tech moving over to their wings to try and pick up some pixels, it seems like. Let's see if they can successfully intake some. And Team 24302, the Scraps, also moving some pixels into their backstage. It seems they are working together with their Alliance teammates, Alpha Dogs Omega, to place some pixels into the backstage, and then Alpha Dogs Omega places them on their backdrop, with placing a couple of pixels on their backdrop successfully. The Scraps bringing over some white pixels, placing them in their backstage. Team 22075 RGB seems to be trying to pick up a purple pixel or move into their backstage. The Scraps moving and zipping across the field, also bringing a couple of yellow and green pixels. It seems like Makeshift Tech is still trying to pick up some intake some pixels. They successfully intake 2 green pixels as we begin the last 30 seconds of the match, and Makeshift Tech places 2 green pixels onto their backdrop. It seems Team 22075 is placing themselves onto their truss to potentially hang during endgame. Makeshift successfully hanging from their truss. It seems, let's see if they can hold it until the end of the match. RGB also hanging successfully, with the Scraps and Alpha Dogs Omega parked in their backstage. As time expires, the Red Alliance successfully hangs, and that is it for qualification match number 11. The unofficial scores are 83-59 for Blue Alliance. The official scores will be released shortly. We have the official scores in for the qualification match number 11, and the alliance that won that match is the Blue Alliance with a score of 93-79. The Blue Alliance both go to a higher place. Team 24302 moving to place 12. Team 22242 moving to place 6. And 18433 moving down to 5th place. Team 22075 moving down to 7th. Qualification match number 12 will start shortly.